Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of fake alerts that come from the site News-lewuxi.cc. This site News-lewuxi.cc is absolutely fake and deceptive. It displays fake alerts that try to encourage visitors into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help users watch some video. The truth is that it's a mistake to actually click on allow, because if the allow button is clicked, the browser will be hijacked with a lot of advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have clicked on allow, you need to urgently fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions to choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So when you find this News-lewuxi.cc, remove it from the list. I also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.